Aisha, big up to you from Mosley School.
Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. Been asked to have a look at this Ariston water heater. It's not working at all, no hot water coming through the taps. So we're going to diagnose it and we're going to repair it, and I'll be sharing that with you in this video. And if you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, आज कर साला. So what we got is, I don't know if it's related to it, but can you see a bit of a marks on that? We're going to try and clean that. I've seen the marks on the connection there, so we're going to clean that. There's a bit of water in there, we're going to clean that first as well. There's water in there, so we're going to clean that first and then we're going to test it out. Right, so what we got to do is, right, we got the fan out. We got the fan out. I want you to check the continuity across the fan, but I can't get my monopter cables in there, so we eliminated that. Anyway, we got them on the board and we got it connected there. According to manufacturer's instructions, as soon as I switch the power on, give it 40 watts. Okay, DC 40. So let's switch it off. 1 second. Let's switch it off. Oh, there he's off. Right. That's him. As soon as I switch it on, it should give me 40 for a second. It's giving me 41. So that means there's power going to the fan, but the fan ain't going around. The fan is faulty on this. Right, we gotta change this fan. Right, let's switch the power back off. And be charger.
Yeah, that's fine.
Brother, your fat is gone, yeah? 100%.
My fat is gone?
Yes, your fat, you know.
My fat?
No, the chicken fat.
Okay,
Guys, we're back. We're going to be changing this fan. But actually, we're going to change the whole thing on it, okay? But a new one. My brother Amin is going to be fixing it for us today. And that's the new fan.
like, yeah, in a bit.
Well, yeah, thanks, bro. Do you want... Acha. Acha.
Yes!
Acha. Understand.
हमारा भी एक बंदा है हमारे ऊपर पता है मेरा बड़ा भाई है
अच्छा अच्छा
शॉप ओनर वो है असल
Right, we got that in. I'm just gonna screw it in now, and hopefully we're gonna test it out, and it's all gonna be working fine. I'm gonna test it out actually.
I will save your number, you know. I got your number saved, so.
Okay.
Even the houses you do as well, yeah? You know, I just bought a house, yeah, in Hotchen. But
Hey, don't carry on. Nobody knows where your address is. Alright, 1 second. Go for it then. Hopefully, we should have it going now. Let's find out. 1 second. There's a fight up though. You see it? You fight up. Yeah? What is it? Let's fight up. Just see it now. Warm it up.
Sabir, hot water. Where's the mutai?
6 weeks, no hot water, brother.
Nah, only 2 days.
Or is it 2 days? Right, nice and warm water. Not hot enough yet. Right. What's going on? Huh? Can I put the second board back in? Is it? Yo, and there you go.
Yeah?
Yep. There's the wire underneath. Chal, put it again. So guys, we're nearly done. We've tested it out. It's working fine. And hopefully once the cover's on, we're going to do our layer tests again. And that'll be done. Well, I mean, wait. Well, earth wires on this side.
You had no hot water for 2 days. Brother
That's
Jangi
it,
from
45.
done a very good job.
45, you happy with that, yeah?
45.
That's fine. I think that's what you gotta do and it stays there. Let's test it out. This one here.
Don't say we never had a hot water. You're going to close my shop, man.
No, that's what we're doing here.
Oh, okay.
It's fired up.
I said no hot water this morning.
Yeah.
It's fired up. And do a thumbs up if it's working.
Yeah, we just called Jangir brother for our boiler for the shop. They came and they sort out the job in 1 hour time, and the hot water running now. So thank you to Jangir brother.
Oh, thank you.
It's okay?
Yeah, how about it? Good?
Wonderful job.
Right. Guys, we sorted this boiler out and it's all working fine now. Yeah, you guys slow it down.
48. Don't do it more than that.
Okay. They're expecting miracles from a water heater. What will I do? Right. Anyway, it's all working from the fans working. 48 Celsius. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Birmingham Boiler Fix. Okay. Guys, I repaired that boiler, and my friend here just wants to say maybe some kind words about me.
We had an issue with the boiler today. We called Jangir Bhai to come down and sort it out for us, which he did. Done a pretty good job, and he's the man.
Thank you. Thank you.